Here's something that will blow your mind. You'll spend roughly 1/3 of your entire existence asleep. Sounds normal, right? But here's the problem: most of us are doing it completely wrong. Miss what I'm about to tell you, and you'll keep throwing away the most valuable hours of your day when your mind could actually be resetting like a high-performance machine just by sleeping correctly. Stick with me till the end, and I'll reveal the deep sleep strategies that leading brain scientists have confirmed. Strategies that can double your learning speed, help you power through work without burning out, and keep you sharp and focused from morning to night. Most folks believe sleep is simply closing your eyes to recharge. The more hours you get, the better you'll feel. But reality tells a different story. You can log 8 full hours and still wake up drained, sluggish, and mentally clouded because your sleep never entered those deep, restorative phases your system desperately requires. A complete sleep experience consists of multiple cycles, each running approximately 90 minutes, and inside each cycle are 5 distinct phases. Phase 1 is shallow sleep, the lightest level, sometimes dismissed as unimportant, yet it takes up nearly half your total sleep duration. Your eyes drift gently, your muscles begin loosening, and you float somewhere between awake and asleep. You might feel that sudden jerk, that sensation of dropping just as you're drifting off. Phase 2 is where genuine sleep kicks in. Adults remain in this phase most of the night. Your breathing and heartbeat slow to a crawl, your internal temperature decreases, and you begin detaching from everything around you. Your brain activity becomes slower, getting you ready for deeper restoration. Phases 3 and 4 represent deep sleep, the most healing portion of your night, when your system repairs damage, strengthens muscles, and replenishes power. Your blood pressure falls, your breathing becomes measured, and your brain generates slow delta rhythms, deep, steady patterns that soothe your entire nervous structure. Blood circulation to your muscles rises, and your system secretes growth chemicals that fix worn tissue and promote healthy growth. That's exactly why waking abruptly from deep sleep leaves you feeling confused or mentally heavy. Your system hasn't fully switched back to consciousness. Phase 5 is REM sleep, the dreaming phase. It begins roughly 70 to 90 minutes after you drift off, and cycles back every 90 minutes through the night. Your breathing turns uneven and quick, your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids, and your muscles become nearly completely frozen. At the same time, your brain fires up intensely, sorting through feelings, experiences, and knowledge. This is where dreams unfold. When you wake during deep sleep, exhaustion hits hard. But when you wake at the completion of a full cycle, you feel awake and energized. That's why sleeping in complete cycles beats simply counting total hours. For instance, 3 cycles around 4.5 hours, or 4 cycles roughly 6 hours, can actually leave you feeling more refreshed than a random 8-hour stretch. To achieve deep rest, your surroundings matter tremendously. Make your bedroom pitch black, cool somewhere between 60 and 66 degrees Fahrenheit, and completely quiet. If blocking sound isn't possible, try white noise or soft natural audio. Stay away from blue light emitted by smartphones, laptops, or televisions for at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, since it blocks melatonin, the chemical signal that tells your system it's night. If screens are unavoidable, activate night settings or put on blue light filtering glasses. Natural substances like magnesium and L-theanine, present in green tea, can ease muscle tension and settle your mind. Just be sure to obtain them naturally and use them wisely. Before climbing into bed, give your brain a clear message that rest time is coming. Lower the lighting, shift to warmer colors, flip through a few book pages, jot something in your notebook, or sit quietly for 5 minutes. These simple habits guide your body gently from motion to stillness. We should also clear up several popular sleep myths. You must get 8 hours to stay healthy, not really. Every person's system operates differently. What truly counts is quality over quantity. Napping means you're being lazy? Completely false. NASA studies prove that a brief 20 to 30-minute rest can massively improve concentration and output. I'm naturally a late-night person. I can't sleep earlier. That's not your fate. It's conditioning. Through steady light patterns, meal scheduling, and a fixed sleep routine, you can reprogram your internal clock. If falling asleep feels impossible, there's a well-known 2-minute technique created by the U.S. military. It trains soldiers to fall asleep practically anywhere, even during chaos or high stress. Here's the process. Close your eyes and release every muscle across your face, your eyes, your jaw, your tongue. Let your shoulders sink. allow your arms to become weightless. Breathe in deeply, release slowly, and sense your chest expanding. Loosen your legs completely from the top down. Now picture yourself resting on a small boat, floating gently over a peaceful body of water. When thoughts intrude, calmly begin again. Through regular practice, you'll drift off quicker,